Hi again, fans. As you probably saw in the previous video, I just took delivery of my Model S Plaid Signature Edition. And now, in this episode, I want to go ahead and do an exterior and interior walk around showing you what makes this car so special. Starting off with the paint. Signature red, also known as garnet red. Very special. Tesla has not used this color paint since Signature Edition Model S's back in 2013 and Model X's in 2016. So this is very special, and this car only came this way. Now, the front Tesla T emblem, as you can see, is satin gold, and that's going to go ahead and start a new theme throughout the exterior that carries on to the interior. Moving over to the 21-inch wheels and tires. Those are the standard Plaid 21-inch wheels and tires, but as you can see, it has the track pack specification brake package. These are carbon ceramic brakes, and the calipers are satin gold front and rear. What a nice touch. Now, as I move over to the back of the vehicle, you can see that the Plaid badge is actually black and satin gold. And on this applique right here, it says Signature. Now let's go ahead and move on to the interior so I can show you what's been done there. So this is not your normal Plaid interior. This car has a special Signature 1 of 250 mentioned on the passenger side of the dash. The seats, as you can see, actually have satin gold Plaid badges. When you turn on the car, it says what number of 250 you are in this as part of this Signature Edition. You have gold optional mood lighting, and the door sill plates actually say Signature as well. So of course, you know I'm going to be customizing this car, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see all the interesting customizations that are going to be done. And in the next episode, I'm going to share with you guys the gifts that I received at delivery.